In this video, I will show you how to make money with the Temu affiliate program. The Temu affiliate program is a marketing initiative where individuals or businesses can earn commissions by promoting Temu products or services. Affiliates typically receive a unique referral link or code, which they can use to track the customers they bring to Temu. When someone purchases through the referral link or code, the affiliate earns a commission based on the sale. It is a way for Temu to expand customer base through the help of affiliates and for affiliates to earn income by promoting Temu products. Open Google Chrome on your computer or phone. In the search bar, type Temu affiliate program and press enter. Look for and click on the option that says affiliate program. It says you can earn a lot of money, up to 100,000 euros per month. You will notice they offer rewards for downloads, up to 3 euros per download, and you can earn up to 20% commission. If you want to join, click on sign up from the Temu affiliate program. Once you are signed up, you will get a unique link to share with others. When people use your link and make purchases, you will earn a commission. Now click on Get Started for free to begin the sign up process. Enter your email or phone number in the box provided. Or if you prefer, you can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. If you choose to sign up with Google, select your Google account from the list. Click on Continue to proceed. Now your Temu affiliate program account is now set up and you can start earning money with it. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Temu. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.